Cooking Show Club episode 4, where we watch a movie and talk about it. Kind of like a book club, but watching movies instead. Alright, so episode 4, they were choosing between these two dishes. Dry radish greens. Keep saying queen versus the goddess, so we'll see. I'm thinking the goddess might win just because the technique is a little bit more complicated. Yeah, okay. This lady is a very experienced chef that competes on shows. Does compared to the other girl, is the youngest of the black team. Who wins? I have a feeling she's gonna win. Guys, making octopus. No. This is how I feel too. Black team's dropping like flies. Looks like all of the white spoons has won. I have a feeling that the black team's gonna win with this one, just because of the way they framed it. I have a feeling it's gonna be this black spoon that's gonna win. Okay, we'll see. His is, I feel like, more complex. He literally cut the meat and minced it and formed it into a ball around ribs. This guy just marinated his, put it on skewers, and grilled it. Okay, we'll see. I have a feeling black spoon's gonna win. Yes, I knew it. These two got perilla oil as the main ingredient, so we're gonna find out how to use this. The thing between these two chefs is that this guy has like a lot of equipment. Like this machine is probably like 100, it was 100 million won. And then there's this guy with just his knife and pots. Is this vegetarian? Oh, no. He's using oysters. Okay. Although I heard some people are saying that oysters are vegan. What the? The music choice they always choose is very interesting. Definitely sets the tone. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Why am I watching this? Okay, this is a radish steak. It looks amazing. Yay, he survives. Okay, so they got three of the three jongs. Yo, so many techniques, man. The white spoon will like sous vide some radish, and then he grilled some steak with the brown jang, and then he made a foamy thing with the red pepper jang, gochujang. Interesting. I'm kind of bored with this taste testing. Black team might win again. I have my vote on black team. And the winner is not going to be revealed, I bet, until the next episode. Ooh. Not a cliffhanger. Please. I won't make you guys wait. Oh, the white spoon survives. Damn. Okay, whatever.